Oh, oh boy. We have something big. Here's something big. What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a little river creek fishing action. We're gonna try to do some smallmouth bass and pike. We actually have some of like the outskirts of Hurricane Ida coming up, so there might be some storms coming, so we're not gonna have a lot of time, but maybe it'll turn on the bite, the big low pressure system. So let's get out there. All right, guys, we made it to the spot here at the river. I don't know if you guys can see that. We got two rods, one with a little Ned rig, one with a little whopper plopper. Oh, got something. A little small. Oh, is that a largemouth? All right, we'll take it. Little largemouth. Had a weird sore on his mouth. Been caught before. Maybe this guy had quick release. I don't really want to touch him. All right, we'll take that. Not what I expected. We have fish. Baby fish. I don't even know what that is. It's small. Little smallie? Tiny little smallie. All right, we'll take it. Hey, bud, relax. Just a hook out of you and a nice, better view. Tiny smallie, beautiful. Oh, that's not good. Oh, yep. All right, a little self-release. All right, oh, yeah, there he goes. All right, we'll take it. We have fish. We have another fish. It's a little rock bass. Yeah, baby little rock bass. We'll take it though. It's tiny. See if we can do another one. It's 3 fish for the day. We got another fish. And this is a little smallie or a big rock bass? A giant fat rock bass. That isn't big. Look at the red eye on him. Cool looking fish. This river is loaded with them. Hey, relax. All right, let's bring him back. We have a fish. We have a fish. Bitter too. Oh, I didn't even know I had a fish. That was a log. Oh. Nice golden brown smallie. Relax, bud. Relax. Oh, right off the hook. Relax. Hey, chill. Ow. Alright. Bit me. Look at that. We are recording, that's good. Oh boy. We have something big. We have something big. Oh my god. That is a giant smallie. Jesus. Oh, it came off the hook. Stop, 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 stop. Oh my god. Ooh. Look at that. It's a big brown smallie. Let's show a measure on him real quick. Alright. Tip of the rod to about right about where those go. There's some pictures of this guy. Alright guys, this is what I just caught that fish on. Just a yum dinner, and I cut it in half just about, and I rigged it weedless on a Ned rig just like this. Thread that up there, push it on real good so it's past that weed keeper, or that soft plastic keeper. Then you thread it on like that. Make sure it's all lined up. It's not lined up, so I'm going to redo it. Sort of like that.